Good evening guys. This is our finished product. Rewind. Have a thermocontrol switch. Connection are do the same again as before. This is probably yellow, white, yellow, brown, red and blue. The running winding for this motor is from left is white and yellow, to the left side is blue, but the starting winding is red and brown. Look at this guys, three sets